going to look at using Lexipedia and Spiff Workflow as a business process management review dashboard. So in a previous video, we had people going through and how to start a company, and we kind of looked at how they would going through this process here, and that's great. We're trying to help people who are helping those people now. So, for instance, the Charlottesville Economic Development folks, Center for Civic Innovation. Here, we can actually look at a dashboard of everything that's gone on in the workflow so far. And we can start breaking down, okay, these are people starting a Virginia Charlottesville company. We can see a couple of things. We can see the people who haven't finished the process. We can go there and look at where they are, right? Say, they still haven't gotten the EIN. Maybe we can help them with that. And we can even dig in deeper and be like, they got to where they needed to apply, but they didn't know how to either get on the phone or go online, and that's where they got stuck. So we can lean in there. Going back here, we can also start looking at how people did complete processes, right? We can say, okay, this is the standard process that people are getting through. This gives us two opportunities. One is to look at how to do things better, right? We can start looking at how people are doing things regularly and see where we need to improve. We can get some analytics out of that. And we can also start getting, from these log files, we can start looking at ways to simplify the work going forward. Lastly, we can look at how to, if we find opportunities for people who have filled in business processes, we can get them grants. We can talk about what their next steps might be by having these dashboards. So thank you very much for taking a look.